So, hello people. If you visit Rajshahi city, then I will try to show you some street food. What I say the street food? This is kalai roti. রুটি কত করে? কালাই রুটি name it kalai roti. It costs 30 USD. I mean 30 cent. Okay. In USD 30 cent. If you come to Bangladesh, it will be price 30 টাকা. ঠিক আছে? And this is the street foods to fruits. So fruits will be these fruits you can buy as a kilo, 250 gram, 2250 gram, single price, divided price. If you buy this each 1 kilogram, that in another price. Today I will be as price of this shop. Okay. So এটা কি মালটা মালটা না কত করে কেজি 340 টাকা কেজি ইন বাংলা 340 টাকা কেজি ইন ইউএসডি কারেন্সি $3.5 it called Malta. Okay. It's Malta. It's you maybe know this thing. It's an apple. এটা কত করে কিলো 320 টাকা কিলো বাংলা টাকা and USD currency will be 3.20 USD. 1 কিলোতে how much you can take by 1 kilo? 1 কিলোতে কয়টা ধরবে 8 piece will be catch in 1 kilo. Okay, $3.20. If you buy 1 kilo and 1 kilo will be catch the per piece 8 piece will be catch by the 1 kilo. This is the apple, and you could buy this thing inside of the Rajshahi Medical College Hospital. State type shopkeeper. আর এই ইয়াগুলো কত করে আপনার আঙ্গুরগুলো কত করে 500 টাকা কেজি and this is a it called black angur. You could buy this thing $5 per kilo. In Bangla it's 500 টাকা কেজি. Okay, we will go to straight forward to watch many more things. What we see, let's watch. You can buy also these things. It's a shoe. You can buy this shoe. Each shoe will be cost you $1. $1 mean it will be price Bangla taka 100 taka. Okay. In Bangla taka you can buy this shoe 100 taka in the way inside of the medical Rajshahi city. And if you buy in USD currency it will be cost you can buy also the SIM card. This thing, this place, this boy selling the SIM card, cellular mobile called SIM card. It all will be street food in the occasion, and this is the Rajshahi Medical College Hospital health treatment area. If you illness, you will be catch. You can take the treatment. This is we call in Bangla sorbot. Presently I unknown about the English language of this product because I can explain you what is this product. It will be in Bangla akhir ros. It will be cost you each glass, one glass 15 taka. In Bangla 15 taka. In English 15 cents will be cost you. So we will be know the most. মালটা কত করে কেজি $1 per kilo. In USD currency it will be cost $1. In Bangla taka 100 টাকা কেজি. You can also buy this thing in front of gate Rajshahi Medical College, and this is a seller. Okay. আপনি প্রতিদিনই এখানে থাকেন? প্রতিদিন? He is selling this product every day in Rajshahi city in front of medical college. We will be go and these things coconut. You know these products, it's a coconut. How much price? Now I ask the shopkeeper. কত করে per piece? $1. You can understand these things. Every product will be managed by $1 to $3. You can manage all the product. So this coconut will be cost you $1. Oh, $2 also be available. এটা হচ্ছে বড় size. Also from this size will be you can get a big size from this size that will be cost you $2. In Bangla টাকা 200 টাকা. We will go now straight forward. This এই ভিডিও বাইরে যাবে এখানে না। This is the plastic steel. Everything is you could everything will be managed 1 to 200 Bangla taka. It's mean এক থেকে $1 to $2. You can manage all the plastic products. Here the shopkeeper still silent. He's not talking. He's talking. এর দাম কত? হ্যাঁ 30. It will cost you 30 cent USD currency. In Bangla taka 30 টাকা. I want to go the forward. Anything all product. Hairs. এখানে যে ভেলপুরি আলা ছিল। Guys, I am unable to see the bhelpuri wala product. Okay. Now I show you the best product in this place, street food. The product name is Andasa. Okay. This is a Andasa. কত করে আন্দাসা? 10 টাকা পিস না? হ্যাঁ। Each andasa will be cost you 10 cent. I mean 10 টাকা. Okay. And this is a product. It look like poor but it's healthy. Sometimes I take it from this man. Low cost fresh food. কত করে এগুলা প্রোডাক্ট পার গ্লাস? 10 cent glass each juice na. Two flavor juice you can get here on mango and on orange. Okay. Presently I am not taking the juice, but you can manage the juice. Juice also be mixing the lemon. These things, lemon. Okay, lemon also be fresh. Bangla, you can call this thing Bangla lebu. Okay, and this is a seller. Brother also been good. So all in the street food I try to display in front of you, and all you can manage. All the street food are displayed inside of Rajshahi Medical College. Okay, this is the same seller, same juice. This is the different kind of storekeeper. She will be sell you the biscuits, coil know you. Coil will be used in while a mosquito disturb you in deep night while you sleep in poor place. Then coil will help you to protect yourself from the mosquito. And this is a food seller. You already know that this food will be per kilo $3 cost you, and this is a per kilo cost you $3 to $4. This product it's called Bangla Bedana. কত করে কেজি? 550 টাকা কেজি. In Bangla will be $5.40. In English, in USD currency will be cost you $5.40. So maximum street food are available inside of medical college. Another one, নিবো কলার ভিডিও কত করে হালি? ও ওই ভাইয়ের ভাই কলা কত করে হালি? হ্যাঁ 25 সেন্ট each hali. It called the hali. They will the seller will sell you the banana. It's a banana sell you each 4 piece. I mean pack 4 piece. 4 piece banana will cost you 25 cents. Money each cent each Bangladeshi taka. But it will be different. Some kind of in Bangladeshi currency, not taka, it will be $1. You can get 1.25 taka. Sometimes dollar rate will be up and down. The allied same fruit seller. Chalo. The best will be cost. Blogger. This is another shopkeeper. They sell short juice. It will be cost you 20. In Bangla 20 taka. In local language will be by 20 taka. In English 20 cent. They see the man also sell the smoke, right? Smoke, not all people not selling the smoke. Some people selling the smoke. He is one of them. And these coconut seller. In local you can buy the dab. This thing called dab, na? Per piece কত করে? 150 টাকা, 120 টাকা। 120 টাকা বাংলা। In English, 120 টাকা in English will be $1.20. Okay, $1.20. না $1.20 তো $1 100 না ভাই তো বললো 120 টাকা $1 you can get here $1 will be divided by $1 divided by 1.17. Okay, 117 টাকা you will get the 117 টাকা in Bangla language. Okay, so I am going to end this video, and this is another seller. If you want to be the chili type product, then it will be chili type product. Okay, this is the chili type product. It's not sweet. Okay, you can buy this thing Bangla 10 টাকা 20 টাকা. The almond badam, in local language badam কত করে সহ? You can buy this thing 100 গ্রাম 100 গ্রাম কত করে সহ? হ্যাঁ 30 সেন্ট. Okay, 30 cents সহ. Okay, and this is the end. Rajshahi Medical College main gate, and I try to stop this vlog today stay on the street food. So thank you viewers, hit the like button. If you wish to make subscribers, you can make subscribers. So thank you too much.